Organizing your thoughts. Uncover the patterns in English reading comprehension. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very important topic: using patterns of organization to improve reading comprehension. Recognizing how information is organized within a text can significantly improve your understanding, and we'll guide you through some strategies to get there. Let's get started. Patterns of organization refer to the structure in which ideas and information are arranged within a text. There are many types of patterns, like cause and effect, compare and contrast, chronological order, and more. By identifying these patterns, you can navigate a text more efficiently and enhance your comprehension. Think of these patterns as a roadmap, guiding you through the text. When it comes to identifying these patterns, look for keywords and transitions that hint at the pattern being used. For example, words like because, as a result, and therefore often indicate a cause and effect pattern. Words like similarly and, on the other hand, can suggest a comparison or contrast. These keywords are your signposts, helping you recognize the pattern and making it easier to understand the text. Applying these patterns can boost your comprehension and efficiency in reading. Knowing the pattern of organization allows you to predict what type of information is coming next. For instance, if you recognize a problem-solution pattern, you know that the text will present a problem followed by its solution. This anticipation allows you to understand and process the information more effectively. The best way to become proficient at recognizing and applying these patterns is through practice. As you read different texts, try to identify the pattern being used. Start with simpler texts and gradually move to more complex ones. With time, you'll find that your reading comprehension skills have greatly improved. And that wraps up our lesson on using patterns of organization to improve reading comprehension. It's like learning a new language within a language, but with practice, you'll find it becomes a natural part of your reading process. Remember, spotting the pattern can unlock the meaning. Thanks for joining us today, and happy reading!